Microdermabrasion in an acne recovery plan. Acne recovery is not simply about stopping breakouts. It is also about reclaiming smooth, clear skin and personal confidence. While many people focus solely on suppressing active pimples, a truly effective plan addresses both the cause and the results. Start with sensitive skin strength of REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion. Use it appropriately, per the directions, and it will be good to your face. For active acne, it is almost always best to start with the sensitive skin strength for a few months, treating and healing at the same time. The idea of exfoliating when your skin is inflamed may sound counterintuitive, but gentle, daily sensitive skin microdermabrasion, performed by hand, not with a machine, generally accelerates recovery when paired with the right topical care. With hand application of microdermabrasion, you can sense subtle differences across your face and neck, adjusting pressure to protect the most sensitive areas while still clearing away bacteria and dead skin cell buildup in your most resilient zones. The process works on two fronts. 1. Cleaning out clogged pores before they develop into new breakouts. 2. Smoothing the surface and reducing roughness. You will even notice a smoother skin texture left behind after only a few days of treatments. Use the dual approach. REFRESHEN benzoyl peroxide. An effective acne recovery plan combines once daily microdermabrasion with twice daily over-the-counter benzoyl peroxide cream, used immediately after your REFRESHEN Super Premium treatment. This way, your benzoyl peroxide will penetration most efficiently, targeting the bacteria that fuel breakouts. The morning microdermabrasion helps remove excess oil, debris, and dead skin cells. The benzoyl peroxide then works as a preventative throughout the first half of your day. A second benzoyl peroxide application should be after your face cleansing in the evening, and it keeps the antibacterial defense going for the second half of your day, the overnight part. This coordinated combination allows you to both stop breakouts and to heal inflamed skin without overloading your skin or your credit card with ineffective products. Restating, it is best to start with sensitive skin strength of microdermabrasion, even if your skin is not sensitive. After you use the sensitive skin REFRESHEN for a week or two, your inflammation should be reduced to almost zero. Now you can try regular strength if you would like a stronger product, but you can use the sensitive skin strength forever. It will always work for you. Do not try professional strength microdermabrasion until after you have had several months of experience with sensitive skin strength and regular strength. Ramping up the strength is like diving into an unfamiliar pool. It is always reasonable to start gently and work up to the high board if you need to. How to start safely. If you are new to microdermabrasion, the first few days are about restraint. With active inflammation, keep your technique light, letting REFRESHEN's fine crystal blend do the work. Never scrub aggressively. As redness and irritation subside, often within 4 to 5 days, you can gradually increase your exfoliation in the areas that need it most. Patience pays off. Overdoing exfoliation too soon can slow healing, but the right balance allows for steady progress. Most beginners notice a visible reduction in redness, smoother skin texture, and fewer new blemishes within the first week, and much better results in the second week. Actual progress, real results. Acne can be disheartening, especially when every mirror glance feels like a reminder of the problem. But this method offers more than just short-term relief. It provides a path toward lasting clarity. Consistent, gentle, daily REFRESHEN treatments paired with targeted benzoyl peroxide use leads to skin that not only looks better, but feels healthier beneath the surface. Many customers have shared that this approach helped them finally turn the corner in their acne battle. restoring not just their skin, but their confidence, a clearer future. The combination of manual control, gentle daily exfoliation, and proven antibacterial treatment is a simple yet powerful plan. With REFRESHEN Super Premium Microdermabrasion as the foundation, you are not just treating acne, you are guiding your skin toward clarity, smoothness, and resilience.